Welcome back to ClearTask. If you've ever opened an Excel spreadsheet only to find that your row numbers and column letters have completely vanished, you're not alone. It's a very common issue, but restoring those missing headings is incredibly easy and only takes a few seconds. When you're staring at a blank grid, it can be confusing to navigate your data and formulate calculations. To get those headings back, direct your attention to the top ribbon of your Excel window. Navigate over to the View tab. Click on it to reveal a new set of layout options. Within the View tab, look for the section labeled Show. Right there, you will find a small checkbox next to the word Headings. Simply click that checkbox. Instantly, your column letters at the top and row numbers on the left will reappear on your screen. If you ever want to hide them again for a cleaner, presentation-friendly look, just uncheck that exact same box. It is truly that simple. That is all it takes to restore missing row and column headings in Microsoft Excel. If this quick tip saved you some time today, make sure to like this video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward professional tutorials on the software tools you use every day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.